Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to delete your videos, your own YouTube videos, any video you think that you shouldn't be uploading or shouldn't be on your YouTube channel. Maybe it's devaluating your YouTube videos, your other videos, other content, so you want to either delete that video. So for that, all you have to do, go to the right upper corner and click on your picture. In here, click on YouTube Studio. As you get inside YouTube Studio, you have to scroll down to videos. Click on the left side on this horizontal row, click on videos. And on here you have to select any one video, or you can even select multiple videos. To select videos, you got to click on the left side on this tick mark. You can either click it. If you want to select multiple videos, you can either select multiple videos as well. So after selecting any video, what you have to do, for example, if I have selected this one, you have to click on this option called More Actions. Click on it. You will get two options called Delete Forever. So you're gonna click on Delete Forever. That way it will ask you for last time, and you're gonna click it, Delete Forever, and that way you'll be able to delete your YouTube video forever. If you think this video helped you, please make sure to leave us a comment and subscribe to this channel for further videos, and keep visiting Tides Schooling.